Are you still spending hours editing talking head videos manually, fixing awkward pauses, adding subtitles, matching B-roll, and cleaning messy raw footage can take forever? That's exactly why I started using Nemo Talking Head Editor. Instead of editing everything myself, I just upload my clips and Nemo automatically analyzes the footage, finds the best moments, adds matching B-roll, and turns everything into a clean professional video within minutes. So, the link to NemoVideo is available in the description. Once you click on it and create your account, you'll land on a dashboard like this. Right here, you'll see a prompt bar where you can simply type what kind of video you want to create. The best part is, you can also upload a reference video or just paste a product link. This time, I'm going to create a talking head video, so click on the Edit Talking Head Video option. Here you can see our prompt is already pasted. I want to create a talking head style video using my main footage. So first, I'll upload the main video here and let the AI analyze the speech automatically. After that, I'll upload the B-roll clips in the second section so the AI can match them with the spoken content perfectly. Once all the videos are uploaded, simply click on the process button. Now, the AI will begin creating the video automatically. Just wait here patiently while the processing starts. First, it will generate and organize the script. Then, it will start matching and editing the B-roll clips according to the speech. After a few moments, it will continue processing everything together to generate the final video.
If you're a UGC creator and you're looking for a little inspiration for your videos, here's one video that I made for a brand, 25 seconds long for $400. Here it is.
I didn't realize how exhausted sitting all day was making me. So I finally tried this under desk walking pad, and I wasn't expecting to feel this much better. It's super quiet, stable, easy to put together, and really easy to use.
Once the processing is complete, you'll see the final result directly on the timeline. As you can see, our talking head video is fully ready with automatic B-roll editing. If you want, you can also export the video in full 2K quality, so you can easily create these types of professional videos using NemoVideo AI. If you have a product on Amazon, you can copy its link, paste it here, and NemoVideo will automatically turn it into a cinematic video ad. Let's say I open an Amazon product. If that's my product and I want to convert it into a video, I just copy the link, paste it into the prompt bar, then I click on the Create Video button. And that's it. You don't need to do any heavy work. The tool will start processing and may ask you a few simple options like what format you want, YouTube, TikTok, or another aspect ratio, plus the duration and style. Just confirm your preferences and it will automatically begin generating your video. Once the video is ready, it will appear on the timeline. From there, you can preview your video and see how it has been generated based on your product.
Dry hands? Not anymore. EOS Shea Better Hand Cream delivers 24-hour hydration, non-greasy, fast-absorbing, and it even lasts through hand washing. The vanilla cashmere scent? Absolutely divine. Soft, cozy, and all-day gorgeous. Under $5 on Amazon. Your hands will thank you.
And if you want to make changes, you have full control. You can edit the clips, adjust the audio, add background music, trim scenes, or even insert text overlays to make your video more engaging. There's also a powerful prompt panel on the left side. If you want to add anything extra, like transitions, captions, or effects, just type your instruction and the tool will automatically apply it for you. So as you can see, creating professional video ads with NemoVideo is incredibly simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. No advanced editing skills required, and here you can see our video is ready. Once you're satisfied with everything on the timeline, simply click on the export button and you can download your video in high quality, even up to 2K resolution, directly to your device. The link is available in the description, so make sure to check it out. And that's it for this video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.